Come on, squeeze. Maybe a little tighter. No, that's too tight. Don't worry, that stuff washes right out. And Dad has the perfect thing to help. Just give it a little push, and he dispenses exactly what you need. Now brush those pearly whites. Be careful with that comb, or it'll be messier than before. Wow, it's like an anime heroine's wand. Is the talking cat included? Just put your hair inside and it styles it for you. She's even got enough hair to make a mustache. Let's see who else we can make pretty. Freddy always needs to look his best. But makeup isn't something you borrow. I mean, you can't exactly give it back. There should be plenty of toys in here. It's that potato chip bag all over again. But just look at that fluffy tail. And you can make it wag. Let's cover it up before he catches a cold. And look, it's a phone too. After some tail wagging fun, we should watch some videos. Oh, look, it's a polka-dotted unicorn. Oh, guess she just needed a bath. Still, nothing wrong with a new look. And we've got stickers to share. Here's an idea. Airbrush some color on. And when it dries, peel them off. Oh, it's a crab with a need for speed. Let's go. No, the other way. The other way. Plants up ahead. Turn on your blinkers. And look, he can go sideways. Sorta. Aw, he even brought you snacks. And then some. This crab really takes care of his friends. Ooh, blocks! Oh, right, the magic box. Something's moving. Ooh, unicorns. Who's up for a pony ride?
Yay!
Come on, girls, let's go racing. Ooh, this one's got a chariot. Okay, girls, it's nap time. Even unicorns need their beauty rest. Oh, we've got lots of Pop-It toys!
Wow!
I didn't know they could light up. Who knew crabs could be so fun? Uh-oh, I think it belongs to someone. Well, someone sure is acting crabby.
Ew.
Next up, a chicken. Might be part swan. Give her some clay and watch her go. She lays eggs. It's what chickens do. Next, place them inside her neck. And soon, she's sprouting feathers. She's even got comb extensions. Care for a trim? We can always make more. Ooh, a ball! Oh, it's leaking. Let's squeeze out the slime and fill it up with Orbeez. Now blow it up big with water. Scissors? Uh-oh, I think it's gonna blow. Especially when you give it a good squeeze. Something tells me playtime's over. It was worth it. Feels gooey. So that's where I put that chocolate bar.
Oops.
Don't worry, a little cold and it's solid again.
Wow. Oh. Hey.
And look, it even comes right off. This could use some whipped cream. And caramel sauce. And I'd never say no to sprinkles. Bon appetit.
Wow. Oh.
Time for a little spring cleaning. Ah, our trusty spray bottle. Huh? What the? Oh, don't worry. I'm sure that's really gelatin or something. And that's just a weirdly shaped donut. Oh, I see. That's one way to hide your favorite snacks. Oh no! Your doll! Well, on the bright side, now she's just perfect for a princess cake. And for that special touch, add lots of chocolate and sprinkles. Let it pour. Wow, it's like confetti. Try it. Just eat around the torso. Well, someone's ready for their close-up. Sort of. I guess she can't get enough of that waxy flavor. But we've got something better for you. Melt some strawberry-flavored chocolates. Add to an empty tube. Here you go. Lipstick made just for you. Ooh, a lollipop! Oh no! I guess the 5-second rule is not applicable. Don't worry, here's a new friend that can help you. And you know he's cool. Just look at those sunglasses. He can handle a little supersizing. And he'll always give it back to you. Oh, please be mud. Please be mud. Oh no! She found our chocolate spread. You know, it doesn't need to be so messy. With a little work, it becomes its own dispenser. Just give it a little squeeze, and you won't get any on your hands. To be extra safe, let's go directly to the source. No, wait, don't eat those gummies just yet. They're perfect for our next craft. They shall fuse together and make a giant gummy bear. Oh, you got a little something. Maybe we should wait for her to finish. Maybe this toilet paper holder will help. Secure it on nice and tight. And it's the next best thing to a mouth bib. Gesundheit. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Oh no! Your candy! Taffy's supposed to stretch. In fact, let's have some fun with it. Let's roll up a few different flavors. Oh, we're making it into sushi. Top it off with rice. and a nice chunk of salmon. Slice it up. Serve with soy sauce and wasabi. No, just kidding. It's 100% candy. Don't forget something to wash it down with. Now, where are our manners? Wow, that's a lot of dough. Are you trying to make yourself a twin? How about we dip it in the deep fryer? And add some frosting. It's a puppy! And you always said you wanted a dog. And how about a little rabbit on the side? Looks like we're making sandwiches. Which means it's time for some special sauce. Sure, ketchup and mustard are great, but we're talking rainbow sauce. And Mom's got a few tricks up her sleeve too. Like making dinosaur-shaped sandwiches. Hey, nuggets aren't the only thing that can be dino-shaped. See, I told you there's a time and place for ketchup. The T-Rex would be proud. They're smaller dinos too. Marshmallow cream is so fun! And wait till you taste it. How about we keep some in a disc? And add a design on top, like a paw print. Add powdered sugar, because powdered sugar. It may have hardened, but it's nice and squishy. But like I said, the real fun's in eating it. Who's ready to get their picture taken? But you know, this photo's not for posting. Let's just say someone needs help drawing hearts. Don't forget to stay inside the lines. And sprinkles. Can't forget sprinkles. Now it's the perfect cupcake topper. And I'd like to say our little model has earned a treat or two. Or 8. Want a bite? Okay, you can let go. We lose more good spoons this way. At least she's not bending them with her mind. Again. And we've got the perfect solution for next time. Potato spoons. The deliciousness of potatoes, but in spoon form. Still, we need to fry them up to be nice and strong. Besides, potatoes and frying just go together. Now let's try it out. Good thing she eats plain ketchup. Candy's dandy, but it's also what we call a sometimes food.
Yuck.
Which is why you should keep backups in your secret stash. Like these marshmallows. How about we help them go undercover? Now it just looks like a fluffy white bunny. And how about some camouflage while we're at it? Just add 1 candy bar and turn up the heat. Wow, would you look at that? See? Crisp bread can be yummy too. Well, with the right ingredients. What pretty flowers. They could use a good trim. Great idea. Now there's no pesky thorns. And you don't need a special reason to get roses. In fact, you can always make your own. Just keep adding meat slices on top of a cup. Keep going until you've covered the whole rim. We can't forget the stem or leaves either. Turn it over, and it's a lovely rose. Oh, looking good. Let's make a whole bouquet. Here, why don't you give them to Mom? She loves it, and they go great with provolone. Okay, now do the heart shape. Nailed it! Open up, here comes the choo-choo. Don't let go. Oh, you had one job. Food-tacular stuff. Catch you next time.